Children, time for some riddles now. I will tell you about the work some people do. You will say the name of the person. But remember to listen to all the clues I give you. First one. I use a screwdriver.
Carpenter.
Listen to some more clues and then answer, Ahmed. I use a screwdriver and a spanner to repair cars. Who am I?
Mechanic.
Excellent, Ruchi. Now, children, another riddle. I use a wheel.
Driver.
Listen to some more clues, Jenny. I use a wheel to make pots from clay. Who am I?
Potter.
Well done, girls. Now, children, another riddle. I grow crops with a plough. Who am I?
Farmer.
Excellent, Nikhil. Next one. I use a saw to make things from wood. Who am I?
Carpenter.
Good girl. Another riddle. I use paint and brushes to paint things. Who am I?
Oh, a painter.
That's great. I use a needle, thread, and scissors.
I know this.
Nikhil, that's very good. Let me say all the clues first. I use a needle, thread, and scissors to make clothes from cloth. Who am I?
Tailor. May I ask one, please?
Yes, you may.
I use a computer to help people. Who am I? Office worker.
Emma, do you mean a clerk?
Yes, teacher.
That's great. Next riddle for you, Jenny. I use pots, pans, knives, and spoons to cook tasty food in the kitchen.
Cook.
That's great, children. I use a screwdriver and a spanner to repair cars. Mechanic. I use a wheel to make pots from clay. Potter. I grow crops with a plough in the field. Farmer. I use a saw to make things from wood. Carpenter. I use paint and brushes to paint things. Painter. I use a needle, thread, and scissors to make clothes from cloth. Tailor. I use a computer to help people. Clerk. I use pots, pans, knives, and spoons to cook tasty food in the kitchen. Cook.